Hey everyone, Sheree here for Citrus Twist Kits, and today I'm going to create a spread for my Life Crafted album featuring the March 2020 Weekender Life Crafted kit. I'm absolutely loving the colours and all the little bits and pieces in this kit. Right now I'm just going through the journaling cards and picking out two to go in the pockets that will be on the right hand side of this spread. So I've decided on those two, absolutely love them. I've got the yellow paper as the background for my first full-size page, and I've also added a strip of one of the other pattern papers down the left-hand side. So I'm just positioning all my photos onto the page and my journaling, and all of my photos are roughly 2 by 2 inches, and they just happen to fit perfectly inside that frame in that top right journaling card, which I was quite happy about. So I'm going to go ahead and add that photo onto that journaling card now, just using a bit of double-sided tape there, and I'm going to tuck in that little adventure tab in the top, just under the top edge of that photo. So I thought that was the perfect little accent for that photo of Maddie's new Animal Crossing game. She goes on lots of adventures in that game, which is absolutely loving it. Okay, so my other two photos are going onto the first page. I've got another little tab that I'm going to tuck in behind that bottom photo that says Me Time. So I'm going to go ahead and start sticking these ones down as well. So I'm just going to roughly center it, just eyeballing it. I'm not too worried about getting it exact. That bottom photo is going on there, so just lining that up as best I can with that top photo. And now I can go ahead and add that Me Time tab as well. So just tucking that in under that top edge. Alright, so just looking at what else I can add, and this So Good chipboard piece I thought was perfect for that top photo. So I've added that one on as well. So my journaling is going in between the two photos, roughly there. And now I'm going to start decorating that gorgeous rainbow happy card. So I've got that circular die cut from the embellishment pack, and I do want to add that chipboard arrow as well. But first I'm going to stick that die cut piece down and then grab my sewing machine, and I'm going to add stitching to each of these pieces. So that's nice, quick and easy, adds a lovely bit of texture to the spread. Okay, so stitching is all done. I can now go ahead and add that chipboard arrow. And I'm also going to add one of these really cute puffy hearts from the kit as well. So that card is now complete. So a couple more things to go onto that first page. So I've got this other tab that I'm going to add underneath that Me Time tab, and I'm using a foam dot just to raise that up off the page a little bit and add a little bit of dimension. I've also got a stamped phrase going on here that says Living the Sweet Life, and that's from the Weekend Life stamp set that's available in the Citrus Twist store. So I'm going to cut that one out and just add that under that bottom photo, and then I'll add some stitching to that one as well. Okay, so now that's done, all I need to do to finish this off now is add the date, and I'm doing that on that top right hand journaling card. And now this spread can be added into my Life Crafted album. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this spread together today. I hope it's given you a few ideas to use on your next project, and I'll leave you with some close-up photos, and I hope to see you again soon with another project. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.